Okay, guys, get out of here. Okay, guys, we're gonna
look at my underwear.
Stop. We're gonna be making a video on Christmas about. Oh yeah, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading for a long time. For all I know, this is stop.
Tell them. They'll laugh. And they'll subscribe.
This is stop. Okay, I can't show you that. Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
This is Overborg Attack, and this is my Kai Fighter, I think. Yep. And this is my little brother's, the boy right there. Oh, stop. Did you see its present? I don't know if this is the Jade Thunder Raider or the Ninja Copter. Probably the Jade Thunder Raider. And sorry I haven't been uploading for a while. So bye, guys. Sup, Rudy?